Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, DeepSeek version 4 Flash model is out. It is now out of the preview, and here you see that this is the date they have mentioned, 31st July of this 2026. And I have tested this model. Here you see this is a kind of great output I have got from this Flash model. Okay, and we all know that Flash model means the speed is great and also the intelligence, and also it has lower latency and the pricing also very less. And here you see they have used this architecture, this DeepSeek version 4 Flash DSpark. I already made the video on this DSpark previously, and here you see this is the thing they have written. It has the same model architecture as DeepSeek version 4 Flash DSpark, and that means that this model comes with a speculative decoding module attached. And what is the advantage? Here you see this DeepSeek version 4 Flash model is actually beating the DeepSeek version 4 Pro preview model. Okay, remember this thing that version 4 Flash model beating the version 4 Pro preview model, not the main version 4 Pro model. It is beating the version 4 preview. On this terminal bench, here you see it is scoring 82.7 and the preview was scoring 72.1. And not only that, on this cyber gym, so I actually made a video some days ago on this Gemini 3.6 flash and also the Gemini 3.5 flash cyber. So this was the video that I told you this model is beating the Mythos, and now we evaluated the cyber gym benchmark. Now this is the benchmark again you see, and on this DBSWE it is scoring 54.4. Okay, and 54.4, if I compare here, you see that currently this 54% is by Sonnet 5. You see this is Sonnet 5, it is scoring 54%, and Sonnet 5 actually the closed source from the Anthropic, and this is also the max version. And this Opus 4.8 max scoring the 59%. So Opus 4.8 max 59%, and this model, this is DeepSeek version 4 Flash, it is scoring 54.4. So that means there is a 5% difference, and the difference is not that much. And this is only the Flash model which is actually giving the almost same kind of performance like the top frontier closed source model. But if they release the main DeepSeek version 4 Pro model, when the version 4 Pro model will be out of the preview, then we can expect some more score from this open source model. Maybe the score will be something around 70%. Okay, but if they do this kind of score, means if they can achieve this kind of score, then the model will be around here. Okay, means 3 to 4th position, and then we will actually able to see great fighting between this Gimme K3 Max open source model and the DeepSeek version 4 Pro open source model, right? And also you see in their official post, they have given this information. The official release of DeepSeek version 4 Pro is coming as soon as possible. Stay tuned. So that means in the coming weeks we can expect this DeepSeek version 4 Pro model. And here you see, if you go to their official post, the model pricing, they have kept the pricing same as before. This is the model version, DeepSeek version 4 Flash 0731, and they have kept the same pricing as before. There is no change. And these are the information that I wanted to share with you. Here you see that if you go to their official this website chat.deepseek.com, and there you can test this model by selecting the instant. So if I show you the new chat, here you see you will find this instant and expert. So instant means this is the flash, and you can select this deep think and smart search, and just give the prompt. The prompt that I actually gave this one, this 3D globe dashboard prompt. Okay, and the model is very fast, guys, very fast. Means I have actually generated this website, this 3D globe dashboard website, within a actually 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, but in case of Kimi K3 Max or in case of GLM 5.2 Max, I gave the same prompt, they implemented it within a 10 minutes. But you see the output that I have got from this model is actually amazing. Okay, means some days ago I made the video on this Opus 5 Max, and this model actually giving the almost same kind of performance like the Opus 5 Max. Okay, the output, there is no difference. Means actually I have not found any difference. And you see the way it has implemented this, see the texture and this light and the the gray color, and also the day and night, all of these are actually clearly visible, and the map actually correct that we have seen in the real map in NASA website or in our books, right? So I am very happy with this model. You also please try it, test it, and let me know your experience with this model in comment section. So if you want to get this kind of latest information, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And don't forget to watch the other videos that I have published only for you guys.